Hello guys, welcome back to Special Creations by Nelly. Today I have a few DIY of birthday decorations that you can use for anything or birthday party. Before we get started into this video, if you haven't subscribed, it's now the time to do so. And if you're already subscribed, let's not forget to hit the bell button so you get notified every time I post a new video. It is my birthday month and I'm super excited, and I'm on my 30th. I will not say how old because the lady cannot tell her age, but just know I'm on 30 and something. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you have any questions of any requests that you would like me to do, please let me know. Leave a comment down below. Happy birthday to me, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's just get started with this DIY.
So you're going to grab 3 noodles like that, and then you're just going to put it straight like that, and then you're going to go ahead and put tape. You line them up like 3 of them, and then just tape it all around it. And then after you tape it all around it, what you're going to do next is like put it like a circle like that. You're just going to go ahead and hold it with your leg, and then just tape it around like that, and it's going to give you a whole circle for your backdrop. So then after you have the circle, I took my flowers, and what I'm doing next is just putting flower all around the circle. You could decide which one, if you want to do all flowers, or you could decide if you want to do all balloons, or you could do half and half the way I did it. It's up to you to decide how you would like it. Just go ahead and put all your flowers like that, and then I'm just going to go ahead and show you now how I did the balloons, which is like just blow the balloon, and make sure when you blow the balloon is all the same size. Just put it next to each other to make sure they're the same size, and then you're going to go ahead and tie them together and make a little knot, and then stretch them out like that, and then you're just going to put it through the noodle, and then just twist it like that. Don't worry about the space, the gap that you see. You can always fill it up with flowers, or just go ahead after you're done and fill it up with balloons, and like fill it up where you see the gap. Or you could buy all the same colors that you're doing. Like if you're doing pink, buy the color pink. It's up to you. I couldn't find any color pink, so that's why I decided to do it blue, just to show you guys what you can do with it. But you could use your imagination and do different things, and this is how everything turned out. Super cute. Next thing I did, I got these baskets like for 97 cents. I had them at Walmart, so I went ahead and got spray painted, and then I just went ahead and spray painted all around it and let them dry. And then what I'm going to do next is stack them up together, so just like that, one on top of each other. And then I grabbed some balloons. You could blow different sizes, it's up to you. Just fill it up and put cute flowers, and just to make it cute and pretty. The next step I did was grab my round mirrors, and then I'm just going to go ahead and stack up 2 of these candle holders. I'm going to make 3 candle holders like that, and then I'm just going to put the glue on the bottom and just tape it like that. You can always use E6000 better for better attachment. Then I went ahead and put my mirror on top, and I got this wine glass I spray painted as well, and then just attach it on top. And look how pretty this looks. I put this little cup that I'm going to have shots, and I put this wine on top, and I just spray painted to make it look cute. And this is how everything turned out. Super cute.